everyone and welcome to another tutorial. This is my very first tutorial about giving you knowledge how to code a game using Python coding language, importing pygame, importing random. This is just a simple code and I'm gonna tell you how you can start your very first game and how you can improve it and make much more bigger games, sell it on itch or sell it on like the App Store, Google Play Store. And yeah, this is what we're gonna build today. I know it's very simple looking. You can move with the keys or with the arrows. You have score. It's like you have a player right here and you have like coins, If you get one coin, you get a score. And yeah, this is how the game will look at the end. And if you follow me step by step, I'm pretty sure you will get this game so simple, so fast, your own, quick, like in less than one day. You understand how we're gonna make this, and then you can be proud of yourself to create it yourself. But for everyone who just want to look inside the code, of course, I'm gonna give the source code for free. I mean, it's not even special. It's kind of simple. But for every new guy, new human being in Python coding language, I hope you're gonna enjoy it. And yeah, of course, you can make other games like I did, a doodle jump game called Astrolabe. I'm gonna show it to you. Wait a second. There we go. Yeah, it's beta version. Of course, if you want to support me, you could get it. Link in description. Very simple, but much fun. Get score. Break the floors. Green is jump pad. Yeah, you can create everything if you know coding, and you will have much fun. Oh, jetpack. Let me know in the comments if you get a cool high score. And now we're going back to the tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for following me. Thanks for supporting me. See you right now. Yeah, welcome to pygame. We're gonna make our game with Python code, and a very simple one. Maybe in further tutorials we will keep on an amazing huge game. I'm creating much stuff and I'm trying to learn myself. If someone don't understand me, just let me know in the comments and I gonna figure out trying learning English a little bit more, because I'm not typical from England. I just try my best today, so just keep on moving. I use Visual Studio Code. You can use Notepad++ or whatever you want to use, but I am years over years inside Visual Studio Code. I really like it, so I keep on going. My extensions, what I'm using, of course, I'm using the Microsoft Python extension like Pylons, Python debugger, Python environments. You should add this. You can just search them, download them. They are for free. Don't miss them out. You will need them. And how to install Visual Studio Code or something, you can search on the internet. If you really want me to make a video about it, or how to install Python, just let me know in the comments and I will do it for you, no problem. Because I'm a typical very friendly person, so everything you write down, I'm gonna look at. And yeah, let's start. So we want a new file. We can call it like, yeah, game tutorial.py. So first of all, if we're gonna write a code, we want to import pygame. For everyone who don't know what it's pygame, it's a library. I can leave the link in the description. And yeah, we will need it, and we will also need random for this. It's another import for the script, and you will later understand why we need it. So first of all, we're gonna start a normal pygame init. The screen, of course, we need a screen, and the display set mode. It's sorry. We're gonna make it so right here for everyone who don't understand. We can change the display mode, and we're gonna test it. Oh yeah, it's closing. It's closing instant because we don't have pygame display flip, but I'm gonna show you as an example. And we need pygame quit. Save it, ctrl and s. So here we go. It's going to start. This is our resolution we use. Of course, you can go 16 on 10 or 92, whatever you like for your game. You will figure out later. Just focus on what I write, and then you're gonna understand very soon. Just keep on focusing. We're gonna make a clock for the pygame while running it through. And right now I like to move on forward, putting a player position. So you can just make it player or like S position, whatever you really like to go for. But I go with player, so maybe some new English person from other world countries, I don't know, like my country, I'm not the best in English, will better understand it. So we don't go for like X or Y or whatever. We just go simple things. Player, the pygame vector, and yeah, wait. No. The pygame vector, we need to focus on the screen. The get, the width, and we do it like the middle of the screen, and then we get the height, and we go with the same. I'm very sorry if my English is a little bit broke, but yeah, keep on watching me, and maybe in 1 year I'm gonna show you how I can speak Russian or something else. Yeah, I'm gonna burn it out. So right now we have our player position. Now we want an item like we can pick up, and this item um, is like a coin, mm, medallion, or yeah. Let's go with a coin position, and we need to put the vector 2, of course. And for the coin, we use this import random because we want, if we pick up a coin, it's gonna be deleted, and then we want to have another coin somewhere random between the random in it, like between the whole screen. So for this we use the import random, and we go from 50 to 1230. And oh, what the fuck did I miss out? Wait. I'm sorry, I missed out something. Yeah, of course. So, and now we're gonna go, of course, 50 again, and like 300. Or, no, wait. We go over the entire scene, and this is everything. Now we need a font. We need the font for the score. I want to have a score on the left or right side or wherever you want it. We can change it to every position, because if you know coding language, oh my gosh, even Python is very cool. I have to say, oh my gosh, I'm so into learning it right now. Web developing, AI stuff. It's crazy. It's insane. Not even these games. You can build so much things. You can make money out of it. Yeah, you can have good life. But you need to read the books. You need to read and read and read and read and read the books. You can't stop reading. You can't stop staying up. Yeah, but maybe in another video. So we start with the score 0. And while the game is running, mm, we go for the clock, the random tick rate, like how much frames per second it's ticking in milliseconds. So here's the trick. If you go with backslash and 1000, it's running every freaking millisecond. If you just leave it like this, like 60, it's not working. You will figure out yourself it's just not working. You can't play a game like this, but you can create other games. Now, we creating an event. This is our first event, pygame event. And what we need to get. If the event, the type pygame is quitting, running is false. Running is true from beginning, but if we quit, of course, the game is going empty. From now, we don't see nothing, just a black screen, pygame window. Yeah, that's it. Welcome to our first display. And here we go. Like I say to you, we can change this right here. We're gonna change it to like through 500. And I show you. Oh, wait. Ah, now you understand what we're doing. We are coding our display. Someone don't get it? Okay, let's close it again. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Oh, it's a little too small, so go for this. Okay, yeah, it's very small. Make it bigger. Oh shit, it's too big. But I think every one of you understand for what this is. This is the screen size, of course, for a phone game. You can go for, the typical normal size of your screen if you want it, but we want to stay with this because I'm gonna explain you this size. So while running false. Now I want to no, go back. I want to have some keys like pressing W, going up, or the arrows. If you want, we can use the arrows as well. We need a pygame key command while getting if it's pressed. So yeah. So if the keys of pygame key W is pressed, the player position, now you see we have player position putting here. Don't get in your mind player position. Oh, we have to figure out player position. No, it's just a function. We got the function over here. We call it player position. You can call it like your name, an elephant, a giraffe, wood, stone. I don't care. Oh wait, pygame. What did I just do? Now we have the player position right here, and if the keys is pressed player position, we start with X. No, we start with Y. So we are going not so fast. We are not going so fast. And if we're gonna make the other keys, you don't have to invest your time and write it again and again and again. No, 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 no. We can just copy this CTRL and C, enter back, enter back, enter back, and here we are. Like we can focus on just changing the keys. Like here, sorry, this was Discord, and D, and yeah, we need, of course, after up, we need down, after left, we need right. This is X, this is Y, and I think this is gonna work good. But here's the catch. We start first with W, S, A, and D, and later I will show you how to add the arrows as well. Okay? So we start with them, and yeah. Let's make a background. For the background, we use a fill option, and yeah, whatever. We can go for black or whatever. So, oh, yeah, you see what this makes? Easy explanation, a black background. You like to have a red background. Oh, okay, what I just did. Ah, okay, no, wait, it's not my fault. Right now the script is understanding if we are closing the game, it's getting red. You see this? So you can use every color. So if you're closing the game right now, because the script is not fully emptied, so this is why it's not black or brown right now, only by closing, you see? Or go for green so you can understand it. Yeah, whew, I got shocked myself. We go for green. And now we need to draw the player, like the player or the coin, and then we can start the game very soon. We go for a circle, and yeah, on the screen, um, our player, what color we need? Green, red. Oh, I want, yeah, we just go for black, whatever. We go for our player position. This is not the player position. This is just the function we call the player. We make it 10. We could make it bigger, like 500 or 5 mega thousand, whatever, you know what I mean. But we go for 10. It's small enough, and we can copy this. Like for the coin position, and the coin we go for 5, or oh no, a little bit more. We go for 8. We change the color for yellow. Here I really don't like green. I don't know why. We go for light blue. Yeah. So now we need our score text. Or wait, let me look up. We don't have a score text. No, but we have the font already. Okay, we need the score text right now. For this, we're gonna go with the font we already put in here before. This can't be put down below because the script and the program is always starting from top and loading down. This is how a script works. It's going always from top, lowering down. So if we put like this down here, it's never gonna work. Yeah. So just keep following me, and so we were score text is font render equals. So we are going the nice way. Score. We put it under score. But only if true and black, because we want the color black of the score. Yeah, black is clean on light blue, so we add another screen blit. So we go for screen blit, and this is the score text, and we put the size a little bit smaller, 2020. That's good. So we already got our pygame display flip. Let's start. All is black. Oh no, because we need a little change over here. Aha, this was everything. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Um, while I wrote this before to show you the back screen, I had here a little error. It's a mistake of myself. You have always to check the lines if everything is really ongoing correctly. This is how it looks already. Yeah, this is how it looks, and I'm gonna explain it to you. So we have a background, the screen fill function. It's light blue. If you don't trust me, we go for red, and I'm gonna show you. If we save it, start, it's red. Okay, if you even don't trust me, we go for the ugly green. Sorry, I really don't. I like the nature, I like green, but I don't like this green. But maybe we can go for dark green. Okay, I could accept this, but I love blue. So what about dark blue? Oh, hell nah, bro. No, 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 no. Light blue was very nice. So this is light blue. The function, you can change it easy. The player position and the size. Yeah, what about make it bigger? And W, S, A, and D are working right now. But you see, we have a problem over here. We have a float. We have something missing out. Of course, another error. And this is cool because we are working Visual Studio Code with Python. And even if I make a tutorial and write the code from scratch, so I have nothing over here, no tutorial, I just rewrote my own, my game with which what is in my mind. And of course I can make an error, and we can easily see it here. This is good to train yourself. We have an error on line 37. It's here, and I already saw it because it's only X, not Y. It crashed while I pressed, um, yeah, it just crashed while I pressed D. Now I can press D. You see, we are bigger than big. But I just wanted to show you, and if you want to trust me again with the coin sites, yeah, make a big coin. Cool, cool, cool. But we don't want to make a big coin. We want to make a big score text. Oh, didn't I tell you this was the size? No, this are the angles of the score. And if you wanna put it across your game, just change it. Change the angles. We leave it on 2020 because 2020 is like top on the left. You could go for like, we have 1000. Yeah, go for 1000. Let's see. We are going to the right side, but we go with 20 because this is just a tutorial. And yeah, if you want to have it white, just let me know. No problem. You can change everything. Everything you can write yourself and understand, you can change it easy, simple. So don't look too much on AI stuff, because if you don't read these books, if you don't understand it, AI will maybe probably write you something, but AI will never understand what you see. AI can't fix every error. You see, I could, if this error right here, you saw this error and this error, I could just send it to, I don't know, some AI. Please help fix my Python script. And yeah, it will fuck you up, bro. I will promise you. This mostly AI will fuck you up. It destroys your entire work. Don't go this far. Just, yeah, read some books and study, and you will get over it, and you will master, you will improve yourself, and this is the best feeling ever. Even if you read some hard books, like I'm into right now, oh my gosh, your everything will, yeah, get on fire. So, but let's go back to the tutorial. You can change the speed here, and right now we need the player kicking out the coins. This is everything is left for this game. Yeah, like if it's distanced 2, uh, we had coin. Yeah, coin position. We had coin position, and we put it like 12. Is 12 enough? No, wait, we have 10, 8. Okay, we go for 18. And then the score plus equals 1, because we want to have a point more. Only 1 point more, because it's only 1 coin which is gone. Now we go for the pygame vector, and we need the random it, and we go, yeah, we can we can just use the same. We can just copy it. So in my case, I'm just gonna copy it, but you can change it if you really want. If it's turning, yeah, just on the right side, just on the left side, you can change everything yourself. It's just for explanation how to create your very own first Python game. This is how it looks. We have our imports at the very first top. We start our init, pygame init. It's running true from beginning. So you don't have a menu or something. The game starts instead. So the clock is for the frames per second. This is the screen size, the player position. I already explained you can call this Matthew if your player name is Matthew or whatever. And the coin position, you don't need position. You can just put coin or whatever you like. You have to put the font, because if you don't put the font by Pygame fonts, this is in a dictionary, you are not allowed to, yeah, have a score. So you really need the font. And while it's running, the clock have to tick like milliseconds on fraps, so you can move your player. And right now we have a game, and we can just start. Wow, our very first game. We can give it for free to everyone out here, and we can press W, S, E, D, and go for the coin. Damn, we got 1 score, and there's another coin. Let's go. Okay, 4, 5, 6. You can make it faster if you want. You can put music, you can put PNGs, like real asset models, not only circles. You can put a background. You can put enemies, you can have weapons, big swords, blasting guns, or you can really create your own first StarCraft 2 or Warcraft 3 game. Yeah, it's hard because you are maybe a single developer like I am, but if you just grind for it, you can do everything you want. So just focus on training, focus on learning like I do with English. I'm so sorry, guys. And you can create your own game. But we have one problem, and I promise you we will fix it at the end. You hear this? I press the arrows. I press the arrows and I can't move. But we can fix this very simple. We just gonna copy it. Yeah, we go back. Oh, so right here we're gonna start something I missed something. I'm sorry. So now we're good. I don't know what I copied wrong, but yeah, this is kind of fucked up. We need just to change, oh, I'm wrong, W to up because W is up. Yeah, S is of course down, and we have left for A and for D right. And this is very simple. Yeah, you just need to understand. So, and now we press W, we press arrow down, oh, arrow right, left, up, down, and now A, arrow right. Oh, standing still. Only arrow right, only A. Yeah, very cool, very cool. This is your first game. And maybe you go improve yourself and focus on the next tutorials, and you're gonna create a huge own app. And maybe you're gonna make your first millions without a single doubt, just focusing on you gonna make it. And then I wish you your best luck for your future. Thanks for having me. Bye bye.